Here we have a results table about women, men, girls, and boys, and whether or not they can taste PTC. We're told that 3/5 of the women who can taste PTC, as well as 7/12 of the men who can taste PTC, do not drink coffee. And then we're asked what percentage, correct to one decimal place, of the adults who can taste PTC do drink coffee. Now, with that information, we can eliminate where we don't want to look at, which parts of the table, which parts of the results table we don't care about. We're only looking at adults, as we can see here. Therefore, we can eliminate the girls and the boys table, and we're only looking at these people who can taste PTC. So we don't care about the people who can't taste PTC for this question. So I've drawn up this table to help answering this question a little easy. So the number of adults that can taste PTC, the second column here, we already have that information. We know that there are 35 women who can and 72 men that can. Next is first column, the fraction of these adults that drink coffee and can taste PTC. We know that 3/5 of the women who can taste PTC don't drink coffee. That means that the rest of the proportion do drink coffee. And that is equivalent to 5/5 subtract 3/2 in order to find the rest of the proportion. And that is just what? 2/5. And then similarly for the bottom, for the men, 7/12 of the men who can taste PTC do not drink coffee. That means the rest of the proportion do drink coffee. That's just 12/12, subtract 7/12, or quite simply 5/12 to skip all the working. Now, in order to find the number of adults, this third column here, that drink coffee and can taste PTC, we multiply the fraction in the first column by the number in the second column. So we don't need a calculator. Calculators are just that the UCAT calculator is very clunky and it will waste a lot of time. We can work this out by hand because the numbers they've given us are quite nice. 2/5 multiplied by 35. Well, 1/5 multiplied by 35 equals 7, so we can rewrite that as 2 multiplied by 7, and that is equal to 14. Similarly, 5/12 multiplied by 72, we know that 1/12 multiplied by 72 is 6, so 5 multiplied by 6 is equal to 30. Therefore, we know that overall there are 44 adults who drink coffee and can also taste PTC. But remember, we're asked to find the percentage of the adults who can taste PTC but not drink coffee. So we need to find the proportion of this 44 in comparison to the entirety of this group. So how do we do that? We do 44 divided by the total amount of adults in this category, which is 35 plus 72, and then multiply that by 100. Now, this is quite a hard calculation, so the smartest thing to do would just to use the calculator. So first, 35 plus 72 is equal to 107. 44 divided by 107 equals 0.411 blah 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 blah. Now, it's already abundant what the answer is, but if we multiply that by 100, we can see that the percentage is here. So 41.12149%. And since we're asked to find the percentage to the first decimal place, we can conclude that the answer is B.